Namaste. I hope you've been enjoying your yoga journey so far and that you've been able to show up for yourself consistently as much as possible. Perhaps you've already started using the habit tracker, which is great, as today we're going over why it is so important for us to track our progress. When working on a goal, there are two different mindsets a person can have about their journey. And you can tell from the get-go which person is more likely to be successful. One person is constantly looking ahead, seeing how far they have left to go. The second person is looking back, seeing how far they have already come. Now, which person is going to be more successful in achieving their goals? It's the latter. It's that second person that looks back and acknowledges and recognizes how far they have come already. And the reason is that with this mindset, you feel accomplished, you feel grateful and proud of yourself. Even though you know that you still have ways to go, you see how much you have done and how far you have come from where you began. The first person that is only ever looking ahead might think that the journey is truly endless, that there is so much work that needs to be done, and that they're not allowed to celebrate themselves and be satisfied until they reach that final finish line. Having this mindset can make you feel frustrated, defeated, and far more likely to give up. So I want you to ask yourself which mindset you're currently working with. Are you feeling defeated because the journey seems endless? Or are you excited and proud of yourself because you look back and you see how far you've already come? And if you need a little help to adopt that second mindset, make sure to use the habit tracker. Not only is it a visual reminder of the goal you've set, looking ahead, it also shows every single step you've taken in the right direction to achieve your goal. And there's just something so satisfying about seeing all the check marks add up. Every day, you have the opportunity to celebrate yourself for a small success. And that is key. It is so important to celebrate our wins, no matter how big or how small they are. And we rarely tend to do this, but if you celebrate yourself every single day and you're proud of even the smallest achievement, every time you'll get a boost of motivation to keep going. So, use the habit tracker every day to mark off your progress and place it somewhere where you see it every day, perhaps on your bedroom door or on the fridge, to be reminded to practice. And also, don't forget to be proud of yourself every day for your achievements. That's it for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you again tomorrow, where I'm going to be talking about building self-trust.